The Quantum Mirror, an interdimensional portal constructed by an unknown advanced civilization. The mirror device is capable of dialing multiple parallel realities and allows for instantaneous travel between countless universes with a single touch. The quantum mirror is an advanced piece of alien technology that creates a doorway between dimensions, discovered by SG-1 during the Stargate program's first year of operation. On the planet designated P3R-233, the team found a facility housing numerous artifacts from different alien cultures, evidently collected by the inhabitants by using the Stargate. Included in this collection was a large mirror-like device, approximately 2 meters tall, with a heavy frame made of a mineral that might be naquita, the same element that Stargates are made of. When inactive, the mirror shows a dark, non-reflective surface. It can be activated by pressing a button on a handheld remote device, which is paired with a mirror for wireless operation. A slight noise is heard when the mirror activates, and the glass-like surface will momentarily shimmer. When active, the mirror surface will show in real time whatever is visible in front of the corresponding mirror in the other universe. It does not show a person's own reflection, but rather an empty room, unless a person's own doppelganger is standing at the mirror on the other side, looking back at them. Many universes so closely resemble one another that a traveler might touch the device and not even realize they had been sent to another reality. This was the case when Dr. Daniel Jackson first interacted with the technology. Like Stargates, the quantum mirror requires a device on each side in order for a connection and transit. Because the mirror does not appear to have any systems for specifying one of numerous mirrors in a specific universe, it is believed that only one of them likely exists in any given reality. However, the destination mirror will not always be located in the same place. The mirror's operations are simple, on and off, and dialing between numerous alternate realities. Some of these are very much like our own, with only minute differences, while events in other realities have played out radically different. As long as the mirror is on, it is always connected to the same reality. However, if it is disconnected, the user must search for that universe again after reactivation, from a starting point somewhere near the reality it was last on. The Quantum Mirror Controller is a sleek handheld unit with blue and purple surfaces. The center of the unit is used to dial from one reality to the next, in smaller or greater increments, moving in either direction down a metaversal loop. This means that dialing is not an exact science, and the user is required to look in the mirror for subtle clues to determine whether the connected universe is the desired destination. As the unit searches for the next destination, universes that are very similar tend to be closer together. When a traveler is ready to cross over to the connected world, they need only touch the glass-like event horizon. This rapidly envelops the traveler with a surge of power, translating them into the other reality in nearly an instant. Multiple people can use the device at once. Unlike Stargates, travel may be initiated from either direction. As a result, connecting the mirror to a parallel reality will leave our own world momentarily vulnerable to whatever or whomever is on the other side. Travel through the quantum mirror can be hazardous though, and not only due to threats in the destination universe. If a person's own doppelganger is still alive, the presence of two of the same person will cause the visitor, whose cells have a different quantum signature, to suffer entropic cascade failure. This is a sort of quantum tremor, as though the universe itself is rejecting an organ transplant. This is an incredibly painful and disorienting event, which will eventually result in death. The identity of the original builders of the quantum mirror is unknown. It is possible that the technology was devised by the ancients, who also built the Stargate network, particularly if the quantum mirror is made of naquita, although there is little evidence that ancient scientists had any extensive interests in exploring the multiverse. Because of the way in which the Stargate utilizes subspace wormholes, the gate itself is capable of travel between dimensions. But this has occurred only under extremely unusual circumstances, through a rupture in space-time, and not as part of the gate's normally intended functioning. It is not known by what means the mirror technology works in aligning the portal with alternate realities. The multiverse theory posits that there could be a near infinite number of universes, with new realities continually being generated. It may be possible to use the quantum mirror to connect with any of them, so long as they have a mirror of their own with which to connect. The quantum mirror in our universe was recovered from P3R233 and taken to Area 51 for study. After alternate versions of Samantha Carter and Major Charles Kowalski came through the mirror, SG-1 helped to liberate their Earth from a Goa'uld invasion. To avoid such breaches in the future, General Hammond ordered the mirror to be destroyed. For more people, places, and things from the Stargate universe, visit StargateOmnipedia.com. If you want to support Gateworld on YouTube, like this video and leave a comment. Check out this playlist for more videos from the Stargate Omnipedia.